concern from the JMC Council also, as well as the
Okay.
Audit Council also.
Mr.
DJ Das.
DJ Das, Learned Counsel for the petition. Praised for and granted. 2 weeks, 3 weeks time
3
to
weeks time.
file affidavit in reply.
Much obliged.
List after 3 weeks.
On the other side, I beg to mention item number 27 of today's main list, my lord.
Hmm.
In this matter, my lord, we have sent our affidavit in opposition for signing and vetting, my lord. I
Yes.
therefore pray, my lord, after 3 weeks, man.
Mr. A. Fukan. Only prayer, Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Council. GAD. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition.
May Lordship, I recommend item number 4, Lordship, under instruction.
Item 4,
Yes, under instruction of parent, client may be allowed to withdraw. This matter become in.
withdraw.
Yes,
Infructus.
yes, Lordship.
Mr.
And hope, Lordship.
Hoc, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become infructus. Who is for the respondent?
Education Department. Four,
Education. Who is education? P.N. Sharma.
Four.
Item 4.
SC Elementary.
Yes,
Who do doing success.
accordingly, writ petition is disposed of, closed
Yes, Mazapit.
on having been become infructus.
Please, Your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 43 for an adjournment.
43.
Yes, Lordship.
Sorry.
I beg to mention for an adjournment, Lordship.
You are for
I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
petitioner. What is this IA is about?
I is about, Lordship, we have challenged subsequent promotion. In the main petition, we have challenged the promotion.
So you want sometime why?
The conducting council has some personal difficulty today, Mr. PR Sharma.
K.R. Sharma. His name is not there.
In the WBC, Lordship.
On the ground that the engaged council has some, the arguing council has some difficulty today, Mr. as does Learned Counsel for the petitioner phrase for listing of the matter after 3 weeks, prayer allowed, list after 3 weeks. Then 43 and 44.
We are only for 43.
No, it's with 43, 44.
Lordship, we are only for 43.
Who is for 44?
So, Lordship, we are not there for.
Oh, it's okay. You'll go along with this.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35 of the daily list. The present matter has become infructuous.
35.
Yes,
on
the
Mr.
concern
MS
NS Rajkua.
Rajkua, Learned what Rajkua?
NS.
NS. MS NS.
NN.
MS
NS Rajkua.
NS Rajkua. Learned Counsel. Appearing on behalf of Mr. J. Payeng, Learned Counsel for petition submits that matter has become infructuous. List of accordingly, writ petition stands closed on having been become infructuous.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 25, Lordship. Kindly pass over the matter for the day and.
Okay, on the prayer of MS
A. Mohanta.
A. Mohanta, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of MS T.
T.
Som, Learned Counsel for petitioner, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes. Mass supplies.
I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
30.
3.
13.
Mr. UK and Digo were absent today, Lordship. The matter
Absent today.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. They are not there. To take time on their behalf.
Mr.
US Board.
US Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. UK, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Press for listing of the, appearing on behalf of Mr. UK, the press that matter may be listed after 2 weeks. 3 weeks, Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Matter become infructuous, Lordship.
MS
A. Das, Lordship.
A. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
Mr. P. Talukdar.
Mr. T.P. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for petition submits that matter has become infructuous. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed having been become in process.
Obvious,
You are there? Yes.
obvious, Lordship.
Your Lordship, with due concern from the other side, I'd like to mention item number 24.
Hmm.
Here in this matter, we have received the PROCEEDINGS comments. We would like to file the affidavit.
Mr.
D. Bora.
D. Bora, Learned Counsel. The Learned State Council submits that. A phrase for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That may be fixed, my lord.
Mr. N. Perma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Huh?
6.
May it please be, consent of the other side with regards to item number 38, my lord. My lord,
Hmm.
engaged counsel, Mr. Mondol is on leave. We have also reflected in the cause list, my lord. May it be
Hmm.
adjourned for the day and listed after
On the
vacation.
ground that Mr. M.U. Mandal, Learned Counsel for today has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, Mr.
SS Ahmed, my lord.
SS
SS Ahmed on behalf of MU Mondol.
SS Ahmed appearing on his behalf. On behalf of Mr. Mandal. Press that matter may be listed after 3 weeks. Press allowed list after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
In this case, Lordship, pleadings are completed.
Thank you.
Lordship,
Yes.
in this matter, pleadings are completed, Lordship.
Ah.
Let the matter come up for hearing after the vacations. Lordship.
Hmm.
Pleadings are complete.
What is the matter?
My lord, here the petitioner is praying for seniority along with his imperative with his patchmate, my lord.
When you are this thing, other persons who are appointed,
Yes, my lord. Yes,
when they were appointed,
you were 2008, my lord. 2008.
you
I
have
was appointed in the
you are
later
appointed.
later 2009, my lord.
You are appointed in 2010.
10, my lord, my lord. Yes.
Obviously, you will be junior.
No, my lord.
And your appointment is also in terms of the. Is
My
there
lord.
any order? I mean, is there anything in the order that your seniority should be counted from that of their?
Yes. My first this is my second litigation. In my first litigation.
That's why
yes,
on that basis only you are
yes, my lord.
appointed.
Yes.
Otherwise, you would not have been appointed. Is there anything indicating that your senior should be counted from that?
Yes, my lord. I have my lord. I have.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
In the order.
Well, the direction was like in pursuant of the advertisement and the vacancy therein, I was appointed. So therefore, as I was appointed.
And
in
your
pursuant-
appointment, you have not challenged.
Yes, my lord.
When you have appointed.
When you were appointed, you did not challenge.
Well,
You have accepted it.
I have
Because at that point of
because
time, you want only the
I was
job.
appointed in pursuant of
Order
as
of
per
this
the
court,
direction.
in order of this
Yes,
court
my lord,
only.
yes.
Is there anything indicating that you should be appointed from that day?
There is no indication, but however, I was appointed in pursuant of the advertisement and the vacancy therein.
But then a later
Therefore-
point of time,
Therefore, my
that
seniority-
too, as per the direction of this court.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm?
Yes, and then the fault.
And
part.
after that, you did not see the you did not
I filed a
you did not do anything
No, not my lord.
after
I
the
have-
appointment.
Yes, my lord, I have filed a representation before the department to correct my seniority. However, the department has rejected my representation.
Saying what?
It's on page 35, my lord.
Page? Page?
35.
35.
My lord.
Yes.
Here the department has.
As per Rule 82 of CRP, seniority in the case of constable shall be determined the date of enlistment in the force. Therefore, your contention that Pankaj is not eligible for reassigning seniority at war with candidates appointed during 2 days is found correct. Yes.
No, my lord. This is, I have ground to submit. Lordship may take up some other day, right after the vacation, as the things are completed, my lord. Or else I have case, my lord. I should say, my lord.
Heard Mr. MS
Iwa Pangla.
Wapanglalan counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. SS Roy, learned CGC. Pleadings are complete. No, not pleadings. Admit list for hearing after 3 weeks.
My lord, can after the vacation, my lord.
After 4 weeks.
My lord, it's very far, my lord.
Hmm?
Can it be a little bit earlier?
2 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
That will go after vacation, though, that will be 4 weeks only. 3
Okay.
weeks, we'll make it 3 weeks. Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I challenge the promotion, my lord, the appointment of my lord, respondent number 8 and 9. Kindly see page 29, my lord.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes,
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 Lordship, you have filed.
Yes, what is your case?
my lord, kindly see 29, page 29, my lord. Column number 13, my lord, serial number 13. Appointed for subject, all subject, languages, social studies, Hindi, science.
What is this? Page 29.
Yes, my lord.
Serial number
13.
13.
Yes, my lord.
All subject.
Appointed for subjects, all subjects, language, social studies, Hindi, science. Thereafter, serial number 14, my lord. All subjects has been cut down, my lord. And Assamese is written, my lord, overwriting. And Assamese is cut down, my lord, and English, my lord, newly rewritten, my lord. Rewritten, my lord. So, my lord, columns, teacher 1 and 2, kindly see, my lord. 1, Ajmal Hussain. 2, Keshav Chandra Dekka, that is the petitioner.
In between, Lordship. As my learned friend is appearing for respondent number 8 and 9. And reportedly, respondent number 8 and 9 has already retired.
Which was challenged before this court, my lord.
The appointment under challenge, those private
Page
respondents.
29, your lordship goes for a moment, my lord. Both, all the teachers, my lord, the petitioner and private respondent 8 and 9 is joined on the same date. Date of joining is 1/1/94, and the petitioner, private respondent who are the senior according to their age, they were, my lord, provincialized. And that is the junior, my lord, according to age, my lord, as because the date of joining is same, my lord. My lord, that's why we are considered. Well, already we have retired on 23, my lord, after completion of 60 years, my lord. So his appeal also pending, my lord.
Appeal pending?
My lord,
Appeal is pending where?
before the director.
Last annexer I, my lord, before
Before the
the
director. My lord, kindly,
under section 14, my lord, under section 14 of the Act 17.
There is a provision of appeal. As because
that is there, my lord, that is there. My lord, kindly see one thing, my lord.
Private response have already
So
retired.
they have already retired.
Yes,
They have
but
already appointed.
but my lord, appointment was illegal, my lord.
Huh?
Illegal, my lord. Kindly see page 29. Petitioner subject was Assamese. As per provision, there is language teacher, there must be a language teacher, and one science and maths, my lord, and one social study. So, my lord, petitioner, he was discharging his duties and functions as the teacher, Assamese teacher, Assamese language teacher. So, my lord, by cutting down there, my lord, kindly see teachers column, my lord,
They have
28.
been retired.
Yes.
What relief can we grant you? What relief you want now?
My lord, provincialization of service of the petitioner.
Huh?
Provincialized.
You file a
Provincial.
press application because they have retired. Post might be vacant. on your own.
That my lord, appeal may.
Under section 14, he can.
14 is
prefer an
provision
appeal
is there
with
already.
the appeal authority.
Appeal is there, my lord.
Appeal is there,
That may be
lordship
enforced.
direct to dispose it up. But
Okay.
No, lordship, this.
Appropriate
Lordship.
Appropriate section.
They,
Direct.
let them prefer a press appeal before the appropriate. appeal.
No, my lord, it was already submitted on 7/4/21, my lord. Annexure, my lord, I, page 50.
His matter was not recommended by the
Not
scrutiny
not
committee.
appeal. You
Therefore,
file
he
a
has-
representation, press representation in view of
Before
the,
the
because they have already retired.
Yes, that is.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
You file a representation, they'll consider. Not, don't take all this plea now. All right.
Yes.
Due to change circumstances, there may be vacancy on their retirement, right?
Yes.
Where is the order? Which order you are challenging? Where is the provincialization order?
My lord, that is. Page, my lord, annexure F, page 38, my lord.
Hmm. How do you know?
Serial number, my lord, Ward 73, 174, and 175. Page 39, 38 and 39, my lord. 173, 174, and 175.
This is by whom? This is just said.
Select list, my lord.
How do?
Website list, my lord.
Huh?
It was published in website, my lord.
appointment order, I think. Individual appointment order.
Pariapara.
Pariapara, MS.
173, 174, and 175.
175.
Huh?
173, 174, and 175.
Rakibur Hussain. Huh?
Ajmal Hussain,
Ajmal Hussain.
Ajmal, Mukunda Sharma,
I didn't appoint
And-
the date of appointment.
Rakibur Hussain.
Okay.
5/2/2021.
Yes, my lord.
Their respondent here is
Yes, 8, 9. 8
What?
and 9.
why 8/9? There are 3 persons.
No, my lord, I'm just not challenging the appointment of Sharma, Mukunda Sharma.
Okay. Why?
He's science teacher, my lord.
He's
Science, he was,
you are claiming
my lord, the language teacher.
linguistic.
Yes.
And they have been appointed.
Yes,
Provincialized.
one, my lord, language teacher and one for social study.
Then.
My lord, they were junior to, respondent 9 is junior to me. So I should have been my professionalized.
They say they are not junior.
Their appointment were on the same day.
Same day. And then since they are.
No, my lord, I'm challenging page 29, my lord. That is them. Challenging 29. Assamese, my lord, by cutting down to my lord, Assamese, that was my subject, my lord. That was cut down and English was rewritten, my lord. So that should be Assamese. I was discharging my duties and functions as my lord, Assamese teacher, my lord, language teacher. So that should be promoted, should have been considered, my lord. Provincialized. Report.
There is only one language teacher. It is not that specific.
One language teacher.
There is no specification as to whether it is a Assamese, Hindi or English. As per section 13(1)(11) lordship, there is a provision for provincialization of 3 teachers. One as a science teacher, one as a social studies teacher, and one as a language teacher.
Yes.
That language, it may be Hindi, English, Assamese.
Heard Mr.
R.S. Chauhan.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner and also heard Mr. P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department. For respondent number 1.
And for respondent number
1 to 5. 1 to 3. And
One.
Mr.
C. Goswami.
C. Goswami for respondent number 8 and 9. Who is for SSA? 7. Okay.
7 also represented by my lord. 8. He is represented by the 7. Pariapara ME school is also was made party, my lord. He was represented by the headmaster. Headmaster is party there.
789.
The challenge made in this writ petition is to the provincialization of the service of respondent number. And you just name services of Sri so and so, 8 and 9, huh? Respondent number 8 and 9 herein by dated 05/02/2021 should pass by the Director Elementary Education Department, Elementary Education, Assam, whereby the services of respondent number 6, 8 and 9 have been provincialized as social science, social studies or social science,
Social science.
social science and language teacher in Pariapara ME school. Where it is? Which place?
My lord,
Pariapara ME school
In the district of Darang.
Darang, my lord.
in the district of Darang. List of next para. The case of petition in the case in brief, is that the petitioner was appointed as assistant teacher
Yes,
in Pariapara ME school and joined his service on 01/01/1994. Whose name is placed in serial number 2 in DISC code 2010 to 2011. This is the name of the respondent number. What about the 8?
8.
8 is headmaster, my lord, and that 9 is my lord assistant teacher.
Okay, Mr. The petitioner was teaching initially as teaching the Assamese subject initially, huh? Next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that the respondent authorities have illegally provincialized the service of respondent number 8 and 9 by who are junior to the petitioner by what is this page 29 by overwriting by changing the
Yes, subject. my lord.
subject from Assamese and English in respect of the respondent 8 and 9. In respect of respondent 8 and 9.
8, my lord?
No, in respect of the respondent number 8 and the petitioner. You have been given English.
Yes, my lord, English.
Uh,
Whereas
by
I-
rewriting I mean, what I said, by changing the eight, Azmal Hussain is 8.
Yes.
Respond number 8 or
Yes,
9.
yes,
Huh?
yes, my lord.
Respond number 8 is
Eight,
Azmal. Azmal
He said.
Azmal Hussain. Huh?
No, no, challenge. It too challenge.
Azmal Hussain is respond number 8.
8, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Azmal is an
8
eight.
and 9. By operating in the list of teachers and instructors. Thereby operating. Well, what I said, the service of respond number 8 and 9.
By operating list of features, structures.
Please stop. Not there, but please stop. Operate. Next para. Mr.
Arshon.
Archohan, learning counsel for the petitioner. Submits that. Had the list been correctly submitted in respect of the petitioner and the respond number 8. As all subjects for respond number 8 and SMIS language for petitioner, the petitioner would have, the service of the petitioner would have been provisionalized. Therefore, the respond authorities may be directed to consider the case of the petitioner in view of the as Smith as teacher in a Smith language. Next part, during the pendency of this writ petition. No, it is stated at the bar that during the pendency of the respondent number 8 and 9 have retired from their services. Please stop. Next part, please stop. And under such under such change circumstances, the learned counsel for the parties fairly submits that the petitioner may be directed to, fairly submits that writ petition may be disposed of with the direction to the respondent, the petitioner to file a fresh representation.
In fact.
We'll say representation. We'll say representation. Representation before the appropriate authority for consideration of his case as on the retirement of the respondent number 8 and 9, the post may be might have fallen vacant.
Yes.
Please stop. Next para. Considering the submissions of learned counsel for the parties. Having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also considering that the Respondent number 8 and 9 have already retired from their services. I am of the considered view that no determination, no adjudication as regards the appointment of respondent number 8 and 9 is required to be made at this stage due to lapse of time, lapse of time. However, the respondent, the case of the petitioner may be required to be considered by the respondent authorities. Mr. Thus, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the petitioner to file fresh representation before the
Before the state level committee.
before the respondent authorities, not the director.
Director, my lord.
No, chairperson of the state level committee.
Before the director of elementary education, Assam. List of in the event if the representation on filing on receipt of the representation, the respondent director, the director elementary education, Assam cell, considered and disposed of the same list of writ petition instance
No, time may be.
disposed of.
Time period may be within, my lord.
Difficult.
Otherwise, my petitioner will retire after. In 28, my petitioner is going to retire, my lord.
You are still working.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Working, my lord. But I was not provincialized, my lord. My service.
So how is the question of retirement?
Age, my lord. Age is there.
You may be over age, that's all.
That-
There's no question of retirement.
Yes.
Then in that case, you file a representation within a period of 25 days
Yes, my lord.
thereafter from the date of receipt, within 3 months
Yes, my lord.
from the date of receipt of the
Yes.
representation.
Lord.
Online number 4.
The record is which order? Standing Council, SSA. Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? That I may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition, my lord. Withdraw কৰি ল'ম, আকৌ file কৰিব লাগিব।
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition because, my lord, the petitioner challenged the appointment.
You want to withdraw?
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned council.
Liberty, my.
No. Mr. So-and-so learned council fresh for withdrawal of this writ petition with a liberty to file a fresh.
My lord.
Mr. U. Sharma.
For secondary.
School learned standing council, secondary education, and Mr.
Ayalam, my lord.
Ayalam for respondent number.
NCT.
And standing council NCT are present, according the writ petition instance closed on withdrawal with a liberty as per.
Highly obliged.
Voyaji.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, the matter is regarding, my lord, is something like that, my lord. We have been allowed to compel the benefit under the 2005 pension scheme, my lord, which we are not, my lord, we are not agreed upon because, my lord, our initial appointment was in the year 1996, my lord. So that initial appointment had been approved. And basing on that initial appointment, my lord, our services had been adjusted, my lord.
When?
My lord,
By which
recently,
order?
my lord, by the impugn order, my lord may be pleased to find the impugn order, my lord, is at page, my lord, 76, my lord. And the relevant part is at page 77, to which we have, my lord, objected. I understand and accept the government service joining the service of the state government on or after 1st of February 2005.
Where it is?
My lord, I am reading at page 77. The second paragraph starts from I understand, my lord. I understand and accept the government servant joining the service of the state government on or after February 2005 shall not be governed by the existing Assam Service Pension Rules 1969 and other issued thereunder from time to time, and that my pension and other retirement benefit will be governed by a set of new pension rules which are in the line with the contributory pension schemes of the government of India. So, my lord, this is for those persons, my lord, who has, my lord, been appointed as a fresh after 2005.
You are what?
My lord,
You are what?
we were appointed in the year 1996.
But then
my lord.
later on by 2020, you were accommodated as a
No,
teacher.
accommodation is not a, my lord, appointment, my lord. It is just.
How
an
you were
adjustment.
appointed in 1994?
My lord, by following the due process of law, my lord.
Any
by-
advertisement, any selection process?
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
That is there, my lord. That's why affidavit has been sought for from the department, my lord. Till date, affidavit is required, my lord.
So you have accepted this,
No, my lord, we have, there is an interim direction has been passed by this honorable court, my lord.
saying what?
Saying that, my lord, under objection, we can go and join, my lord. So, and later on, our salary has also been released, my lord, but that objection is still surviving that cause of action, my lord.
With an objection?
Yes, my lord.
Good,
There
good.
is an order passed by my law, by this honorable court, my lord.
Protest.
My lord. So, my lord, if the affidavit comes, my lord, then the entire picture will be clear, my lord.
No, what affidavit is required?
My lord.
This is your appointment order.
My lord,
Page 76 is your appointment order.
No, my lord, the page 76 is the order of adjustment, my lord. If my lord may be pleased to peruse the, my lord, language, they have said that in exercise of the power conferred upon the director of
See,
illegal.
look at this,
My
the
lord.
post against which the
My lord,
appointee
the
is
post again which the appointee is
You are-
accommodated.
Binanda Changmai.
Vinanda Changmai, my lord, is the petitioner before my lord, my lord.
The post against which the appointee is accommodated as teacher is purely personal in
Personal
nature,
in
will cease to exist as and
My-
when the incumbent retires from service or expires.
My-
This is of 2021.
That is correct, my lord. But my lord, my respectful submission before my lord is that, my lord. My lord, may kindly see that this is an accommodation. That means, my lord, I was existing prior to this accommodation and
Obviously, you were existing, otherwise how could you can be
no,
appointed?
existing, my lord, pursuant to my initial appointment, my lord.
Hmm.
On the strength of that, now as there was no, my lord,
Anyway, I heard Mr. Ayer,
My-
learned counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of next para. SS should be learned standing counsel, elementary education. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
my lord,
Difficult.
my lord, oblige, my lord.
Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Senior is on leg, kindly pass over the matter for time being.
What is the matter?
Matter is, my lord, while the fixation has been made, the wrong factor has been taken into consideration during pendency of this case, my lord. They
During
have ta-
pendency.
Yes, during pendency of this case, they have refixed the matter. However, the wrong multiplication has been used.
So that
They-
you
they
have
have used-
brought on record.
They have used two.
During the pendency, this is matter is about what?
Matter is relating to fixation of pension.
Yes.
They have not fixed.
Huh.
We have approached before this honorable court. During
Yes.
pendency of this writ petition, it has been fixed, but wrong multiplication has been used.
So you challenge that.
No, then now they have admitted, yes, there was a wrong multiplication. That is why she is praying for, she is praying for
Then-
time to come his senior.
Senior.
Because in earlier occasion, instruction has been sought for from this honorable court. my lord.
Verify the pension amount due to the petitioner. Who has wrongly, who has done that?
Bank.
Bank has done that
Bank.
wrongly. Okay. After some time.
Much obliged.
After something.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, here in this case, lordship, petitioner was, lordship, obtained the madrasa final examination in the year 1984, lordship. Thereafter, in the year 1988, lordship, he was appointed in a bencher school, lordship. And his school was provincialized in the year 1995, lordship, but he was dropped.
No affidavit.
Lordship, only lordship, my prayer is that, lordship, there is an approved, lordship, a proposal submitted by the director to the government, lordship, way back in the year 2013, lordship, page 25, lordship, regarding enhancement of my pay. So that was not yet considered by the government, lordship. So kindly, lordship, that may be considered, because your lordship may kindly turn to page 25, lordship. Last paragraph, lordship, page 25, annexure 8, lord. Annexure 8, last paragraph, lastly. Lastly, the inspector of schools, Bongaigaon, while his letter dated so-and-so, has forwarded an application along with its enclosures submitted by Khalilur Rahman Dewan, that is the petitioner, lordship, Arabic teacher of so-and-so, Bongaigaon, through the principal of the school, requesting to enhance his grade pay from 2,500 to 3,300 per month, along with supporting documents. The qualification of the teacher is FM, which is equivalent to BA.
Sarma Sahab.
So,
Madam, in this regard, I have to take instruction, madam. Yeah, we
You
have
have
not
been
received the
given
instruction.
enough time.
uh,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel.
Secondary education.
Second is a further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
well, a date
In view of the order, that is, this is a letter communication.
This is the letter on 19th October
Letter, in view
2013.
of the letter dated,
19th October 2013.
in view
Annexure
of
8.
the letter dated 13,
19th,
19, 10, 2013 by the, issued by the
Director of Secondary Education.
Director of Secondary Education to whom?
To the Secretary, Commissioner and Secretary
Commissioner Secretary to the
Education.
Education Department. Huh?
My lord. My lord, a date may kindly be fixed because the 2022 matter was.
After 4 weeks,
Any date.
May.
My lord.
Next.
May I say? Lordship, in this case, lordship, the petitioner was a assistant teacher science, lordship. And
Yes, any affidavit?
no, lordship.
My lord, he is seeking provincialization under 2011, my lord.
Huh.
Some instruction is required, my lord, here, my lord. As-
Okay.
Lordship, there is similar order, lordship, I be annexed, lordship, and similarly situated candidates, lordship, may dispose of this matter in this line also, lordship. Lordship, there is a judgment, lordship.
Saving clause.
Lordship. Page 30 is the similar order, lordship. Page 30. Similarly situated person appear, lordship, and this honorable could consider his case, directing lordship to consider his case, lordship. Paragraph 15, lordship, page 34.
In view of this, the present president just for the direction to examine the claim. You are seeking similar relief.
Yes, lordship. And thereafter, lordship, after this judgment, lordship, similarly situated persons again have to before this honorable court, lordship. Page 36, lordship.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this, the present case is squarely covered by the order dated.
Dated, lordship. 3/10/2018.
310,
2018. Lordship.
page
Page 30, lordship.
310/20/2018, passed in WPC 6804 of 2017.
Lordship.
Within bracket, Dilip Das versus State of Assam. Bracket close. In view of above. Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel, elementary, secondary education is directed to obtain instruction.
Lordship,
List
a
the
date,
matter after 3 weeks.
lordship, a date may be fixed, lordship. Kindly, lordship, the
Okay,
matter is
we'll see.
2022.
3 weeks.
No.
9 to 11.
In this case,
10 maybe the leading case, my lord. Item number 10.
in this case, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 11, my lord.
Ah.
He has been newly implemented respondent number 11.
Ah.
And we are going to file affidavit in opposition to
Yeah, what is the matter?
Matter regarding my lord is that they all are in contextual appointment. Those are appointed in the year of 2003. Till today, they are receiving fixed pay, but they did not regularize till today. My lord, thereby would.
Third Mr. N. Sharma, N. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioners. Huh? On the prayer of MS.
Ebora,
A. Bora, learned counsel,
NHM, standing.
NHM.
And already
Standing
your-
counsel, NHM. Further,
Your lordship order.
2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Earlier, your lordship are directed on by order dated 4/2/2026.
Today, we are going to file my
But they
affidavit.
did not, my lord, today.
Huh?
So, my lord, after 1 week.
Today, I
Okay.
file my affidavit.
No, then, MS so-and-so, learned standing counsel, NHM. Respond number? Respondent number 9.
11.
11. Submit said she would be filing the affidavit in the position during the course of the day.
My lord.
Please, in view of, let this matter be listed after
1 week.
a week.
March. If one could permit death, maybe fix my lord. All are going to retire, my lord. So,
1 week too, it's not
my
possible.
lord.
It's not possible.
My lord.
9 and 10, you'll be
9, 10, and 11.
Item 12.
May it is your lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
why?
My senior is stuck in traffic. He's on his way, your lordship.
Huh?
He's on his way, lordship.
Where?
He's on his way to the court, lordship.
What is the matter?
Service matter.
Who
your
is for the respondent? Who is for the respondent? Respondents.
My senior will be here, your lordship, for the time being.
Lordship, here, Lordship.
P9, actually, P9.
Lordship, here, Mr. P, Lordship, there is one, here, Mr. P Naik appears, Lordship. Lordship, today we have missed out on the matter also, Lordship, because the name has not been reflected, Lordship. I just seek some accommodation for this date, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf. Lordship,
Heard MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Next para. Actually, learned counsel for the, learned standing counsel, huh?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. P Naik.
Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned standing counsel,
PNRD, Lordship.
PNRD. Is there SCPNRD?
Yes, Lordship, but he is appearing on additional advocate and his name has not been shown, only PNRD. Lordship, we were informed in the morning only about the matter, Lordship.
Then in that case, standing counsel, additional advocate general.
Yes, Lordship.
Is indisposed today, therefore first for listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Praise the Lord. List after 2 weeks. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Much obliged.
Non appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. PP Datta, standing counsel, secondary education is present. This matter was referred for mediation. However, perusal of the what is the report? Yes, that is, you have already agreed. Huh? Yes, this has been settled.
The mediation report, they have filed, I have.
They have settled.
Settled.
Referred. list of next bill accordingly by an order dated by by list of where is the report of the mediators? List of next para. The matters have been settled through mediation on 11/11/2025. List of accordingly. With petition stands closed. Stands closed. Then we'll say, sir. Is they've already settled.
Dispose of lordship.
Closed and disposed of. Where this 6 is? 6 for what?
But the matter has been settled, my lord.
Ah,
I have given them a copy.
My lord, they will have to,
Heard Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Datta, learned senior counsel, assisted by Bora,
K. Bora.
K. Bora. Learned counsel for the
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
year 4
And for the Punjab National Bank.
for National
2 to
Punjab
5.
National Bank. Respondent Punjab National Bank by placing the communication of the 03/12/2025 submits that the matter has been settled by correcting the what we said?
Correcting the multiplication, my lord,
Correcting-
2.48. Instead of 2.
Correcting the area calculation, calculation of the arrears of pension,
Arrear pension, yes.
of the petitioner. Please, in view of above.
Using correct
In
multiplication.
view of above, this writ petition stands closed.
My lord, ADR has not been given to the.
Stand closed. Is a correction also once you will be given.
No, they have said that after passing of the order, they will.
No,
release
they
the
will
same.
get it, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, that direction, my lord.
What direction?
To release the
matter
area.
stands closed. And having as the agreement has already been redressed. Next prayer. It is next prayer. No, what I said. Not in view, please, next para, in view of, it appears that no, in view of the above, matter stands closed as the grievance of the petition has already been redressed, list of, but it is directed, it is provided that the petition shall be paid,
Yes.
the respondent authority shall release the pension,
Area pension.
area pension to the
Area.
petitioner.
Published.
Much.
The communication so and so, dated 13 so and so is kept on record, and marked as document X. Record the end.
Much.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior for item number 16. Kindly grant us the further 3 weeks time for the necessary step.
for what?
For necessary steps,
What is steps?
I am not well aware of it. I was just for affidavit in reply.
On the ground that No, no. To file affidavit in reply.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS
Jay Sharma.
J. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of
Mr. B. Chetri.
Mr. B. Chetri, learned counsel for petitioner, praise for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply in WPC 2852 of 2021.
15 Lordship, I appear, Lordship, but since there's an order of this court that the council will be relying upon the affidavit filed in 2852, in my case also, so their reply is needed.
You also file reply.
File a reply, Lordship.
You also file it. Then you record their name, Mr.
N. Gautam.
N. Gautam and MS so and so, learned counsel for the petitioners, appearing on so and so, Mr. B. Chetri, praise for and is granted. Use time to file affidavit in reply.
My lord, this is a matter relating to non-payment of ACPS accreditations under ACPS scheme, and it is covered by 2 of the judgments of this honorable court, but exactly on similar footing, same advertisement. One of the judgment is annexed with the writ petition, and one more, Lordship, I have recent judgment of this honorable court. Facts are like this, my lord.
What do you say?
Sometimes it's required to get the instruction here, madam.
No, whether this is
Exactly covered
case or not.
Absolutely covered case, my lord. Same advertisement, same everything, my lord.
If it is covered case, then my lord.
If your lordship pleases, lordship may dispose of, my lord.
Dispose of the matter, my lord, in terms of that judgment, my lord.
This judgment.
Yes, one judgment is annexed at page number
47.
47. And one judgment, my lord, I am furnishing a copy, my lord. This is the coordinate bench of this court, my lord. WPC number 77 of 2012.
No, one will be enough. Same advertisement,
Same advertisement, everything same, my lord.
Same appointment.
Same appointment. Lordship, may I just briefly place the facts, my lord? 77 of 2012. My lord, at page, if your lordship comes to page number 19.
Of what?
Of the writ petition, my lord.
Same appointment, same order.
Same everything, my lord. Everything same, my lord. Lordship, kindly turn to page number 19 of the writ petition. My lord, on Lordship has got it. Annexure 1, page number 19.
Is the advertisement?
Advertisement was issued, my lord, for graduate science teacher. Number of vacancies 1850. Lordship, kindly turn to the next page, page number 20. The scale of pay at clause F, scale of pay was 1375 to 3375. But my lord, if your lordship turns to page number 24, but due to inadvertent mistake on the part of the respondents, the scale of pay was fixed at the intermediate scale of pay, my lord. In pursuant to the government letter so and so, the following person selected, D.R. Gorpeta, appointed temporarily as assistant teacher, science in the post noted against its scale of pay 1185 to 2395. This is the intermediate scale of pay. Advertisement was for graduate scale of pay. Inadvertently, my lord, appointment was issued in the intermediate scale of pay. My lord, if your lordship turns to page 29, government recognized the mistake and it was upgraded to graduate scale of pay. Page 29, notification of 30th December 1993. Lordship has got it, my lord. That has been rectified. In the interest of public service, all the existing...
Assistant teacher in graduate scale of pay.
Yes.
Yes, this has been rectified.
Rectified.
Then?
Now, pursuant to this notification at page 31, the concerned inspector of schools has also issued consequential orders, my lord, pursuant to the earlier notification.
Then?
Now, my lord, if your lordship turns, in the meantime, at page 33, Government has launched, my lord, assured career progression scheme, which provides for 2 financial upgradations if there is no regular promotion. At first one is applicable after 10 years of regular service, and the second one is for after 21 years of regular service if there is no promotion, regular promotion. And the ACPS scheme has also been annexed, my lord, at this is page 33. Now, my lord, at page 44, government has stated that the upgradation of from intermediate scale to graduate scale of pay will not debar the eligible persons to get benefit under ACPS scheme. That order lordship will find at page 44, dated 12th of November 2014.
Where is your appointment?
My lord, my appointment order at page 24, my lord.
This is 28 March.
28 March 1992, and immediately thereafter I have joined me.
So same,
Yes, exactly same.
same order.
And my lord, pursuant to this, the court has, my lord, the government has stated that it will not bar. Thereafter, it was not paid. A similarly situated person, my lord, had approached this court. At page 47 is the order.
Heard, Mr.
T. Chakraborty, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Yes, same appointment order.
Yes, my lord.
Same advertisement. Right. And Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel,
Secondary education.
secondary education. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner petitioner has prayed for it. Direct him to upgrade the intermediate scale of pay to the graduate scale of pay.
So basically, petitioner is claiming 2 financial upgradations under ACPS scheme, my lord.
And no, you have already been upgraded.
Yes, my lord, but they have not given the benefit of ACPS scheme.
Saying what? Why?
Saying that upgradation was a upgradation of post, my lord. But that was a error mistake that has been specifically dealt with by this honorable court.
Okay, and then has prayed for a direction to grant financial upgradation, huh?
Yes, my lord.
As per
As per
assured career
career progression.
progression scheme. Where is that?
Advertisement, my lord.
No. As
City.
assured prayer.
25
Assured
2008.
career progression scheme is notified by notification dated 25/05/2011.
My lord.
List of next para. It is the case in brief, is that pursuant to the advertisement that is 03/09/1991, inviting applications for various posts of teachers in secondary education department. The petitioner was appointed an assistant teacher within bracket science at Nehru Girls High School in Barpeta district. List of at the time of appointment, the scale of pay of the intermediate and the scale of it was wrongly provided the intermediate scale of pay, i.e. rupees 1185-2395 instead of graduate scale of pay. However, same was corrected or rectified to graduate scale of pay of rupees 1375-3375 per month. Huh? The rectification is where? Which order?
My lord, the notification of 30 of December 1993 at page 29.
29.
Page 29, my lord. 30th of December 1993.
On by order dated 30/12/1993, consequent to which by an order consequent to which the inspector of school, Barpeta district circle, Barpeta has issued the order, has issued and has passed the order stuff. Passed the order conveying the upgradation of the intermediate pay scale of pay to graduate scale of pay. Mr. Why they are rejecting?
No, my lord, they are not paying, my lord.
It is the case of the petitioner. That it is the contention of the petitioner that the petitioner, despite upgradation of scale of pay from intermediate scale of pay to graduate scale of pay, way back in 1993, the respondent authorities has illegally refused to grant financial upgradation. Other, what is this?
ACPS scheme.
Assured Care Progressive Scheme. This stuff. Next paragraph. It is submitted at the bar that the similar issue involving the appointment of the petition, appointment of persons as assistant teacher,
my lord,
pursuant to the same advertisement dated 03/09/1991 and the appointment orders, this court had an order dated 19/06/2018 in WPC 2397 of 2025 has dealt with, has already dealt with and granted the relief to the petitioner in those cases. Therefore, the similar relief may be provided to the petitioner in the present case. Next paragraph. This court, by an order dated 19/06/2018 in so and so supra, name of the party, it is page 47, has dealt with the similar issue as involved in this petition, which is reproduced here in below, para 6, 50, para 6, page 50 through page last, page 52, next paragraph. Having considered the judgment and order as reproduced, having considered the above judgment and order that is so and so passed by the coordinated agencies of court, and as agreed to by and counsel for the parties, above the considered view that the above case would squarely cover the case of the present petition, case of the petitioner. Accordingly, I deem it appropriate to accordingly, no, please, does the petitioner is entitled to be provided with the similar relief as granted to those similarly situated persons in the above case. Accordingly, directed to grant the petitioner to financial upgradation,
Yes, madam.
under the SCP scheme that it's so and so, actually by notification and issue necessary orders for implementing the same within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of this certificate of this order, which is disposed of.
There is code of conduct is prevailing right now, my lord. So
60 days.
sometime maybe.
60 days.
60 days. will be
Enough.
solved, ma'am.
Court order, my lord, code of conduct, my respectful
There
submission.
one, I think now this ACPS scheme has become MACPS scheme. That is which my learned friend has, so it will be MACPS. ACPS was their lordship, but it was for the employees who had retired before 2017, before this one has come in.
Then MSCP.
Yes, MACPS, and their
Modified.
Yes, modified. That is
Modified
what-
assured courtesy users
It is
instead of
modified assured
SCP,
career
na?
progress.
MSCP.
Yes.
Which notification?
That is 6 July 2000. It has been annexed in the writ petition only, lordship. It
Page,
is modified assured career progression.
page,
Page 54, lordship.
notification.
Yes.
Page
notification.
54.
That
Page
ACPS has
50,
been
instead
modified.
of that SCP, make it modified. You are also appearing.
Lordship, I am paying for final report.
You record his name.
ACPS or
Okay, then next.
এইটো আপোনাৰ এইটো মতে দি দিব যোনটো মতে কিন্তু ACPS হৈ যাব ACPS discontinue.
Oblige.
Lordship, in this case, I have to file my affidavit, Lordship, so I am praying for.
Heard,
fourth
Mr.
time,
Esnath.
Lordship.
Esnath, learned counsel for the petition. Next for on the prayer of MS.
D. Bora,
D. Bora, learned
Standing
standing
Council
counsel.
for Health and Family
Health and
Welfare.
Family Welfare Department. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Oblige.
Lordship, possible for time being, conducting council is on lakes, Lordship.
Huh?
Conducting council is on lakes, Lordship.
So what to do?
My lord, pleadings are
Possible.
completed.
Huh?
Pleadings are completed, my.
Lordship, after some time.
See, Madam, Mr. Fukon was granted some time as to whether the order in Sukumar Sarkar would cover the case of the petition.
Thereafter, my lord, another case has come, my lord, Punima Hore, my lord. As per this order of this honorable court, my lord, they are not covered, my lord. Subsequent orders are there, my lord.
It's not covered.
My lord.
When do you want? When do you want, Madam?
Lordship, after some time.
Not possible.
Lordship.
Not possible today.
Immediately after vacation, my lord.
What is your grievance here?
Lordship, I'm not in this case.
Huh?
I'm not in this case, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer, no, I heard MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner and MS SUT learned standing counsel, elementary education. Pleadings are complete. List
Lordship, tomorrow.
List after 2 weeks.
Oblige.
As agreed to by learned counsel of the parties. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Huh?
Lordship, the matter may be passed for the time being.
No, no,
energy not late.
pleadings are completed, your lordship. Let it be listed final hearing, your lordship.
Hearing.
Yes, admission hearing. Pleadings are completed, your lordship.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the
Chaudhary.
petitioner and
A.
Mr.
A. Banerjee,
A. Banerjee learned
on behalf of Ardhar.
and say on behalf of other learned counsel for the learned state council, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Would your lordship fix it?
Admit list for hearing after
21st
3
of
weeks.
May, your lord, 21st of May, 21st May.
21st May. Where admitting? List for hearing.
Because they are all retired person, pension benefit is all. That's why admission hearing.
Admit list for hearing
On 20,
on 21.
Yes, sir, deeply of it. 21/5, your lordship.
21/5.
Deeply of it.
Lordship,
my senior is in another court, so kindly password.
What is the matter?
Family pension, family
Huh?
pension,
There is two wife with the deceased, your lordship. They are relating to family pension.
family pension.
I am for the respondent 4. I have filed affidavit in opposition,
Ah.
but it is not on record. And next week in
What, Mr.
We-
MS?
We have filed already.
Huh? Your name, please.
name po,
Kang Hon Sing Narpi,
Huh? What?
Kang Hon Sing Narpi.
Got it. You just appearing. Your name is here.
No, it's not there.
Appearing on behalf of Mr.
Dr. Bien Gogoi.
On behalf of Dr. B.N. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
I am for the
It
respondent
is
4.
submitted by Mr.
S. Islam.
S. Islam, Learned Counsel for respondent 4, that he has filed the affidavit in opposition. Mr. However, same is not tagged with the record.
Next week, your lordship.
This is to verify if it is filed to restitute, if the affidavit is filed, let the same be tagged with the record.
Next week, your lordship.
That's why I appear for 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. G border. Is present.
Before vacation.
Next week,
Obliged.
as agreed to by Land Council for the party, let this meeting after the week.
My lord, masteral employee, my lord. Here, my lord, died, my lord. Regular masteral employee. Service started, joined his service 1984 and regularized 1997. He expired, my lord, on 7/3/2020, my lord.
Yes,
Family pension has not been released.
As does understand, this week has been identified inclusion in the cause list under heading for referral showing. Sure. Matter can be settled through mediation.
But already there is a order, my lord. It cannot be. Office order, office note,
Mediation proper.
15/9/25, my lord. 15/9/25, there is a office note, my lord. It cannot be settled, my lord, because of some communication. Yes.
15/9?
15/9/25.
Office note.
Yes, my lord. Office note means, my lord, there is register judicial proceeding.
Since all the respondents are duly represented, the matter is laid for admission. 15/9. There is no 15/9.
There is a, yes, my lord.
There's an order of 16/7/2020.
67 after, thereafter, my lord, matter was placed before the mediation, my lord.
Where is the report?
That report, that is there.
There's no report.
One report is there, my lord. I have seen just now.
Huh?
Judicial officer signature is there, my lord.
Where is the report? There's no report.
Report from the mediator is.
Mediator also there.
Involves more official correspondence before moving forward indicates, hence mediation may be closed.
Then, my lord, till that,
this matter was referred for mediation. However, same could not be settled. Mr. Next para.
Is thus.
Is thus. Land Counsel for the petitioner and Mr.
And Upadhyay for 1, 2, and
Therefore,
1, 2, and 4 lawsuit.
1, 2, 4, and Standing Counsel,
Lawsuit, irrigation law,
irrigation.
Here we have Mr. D. Sharma for respondent number 3.
accountant general.
Are present. List the matter after 2 weeks.
no, my lord, family pension matter, my lord. So,
2 weeks.
but others, if date is not fixed, never come, my lord.
Huh?
Never come, my
Let
lord.
it be fixed in the month of May, Lord.
One date may be given, my lord.
4 weeks on 15 May.
Highly obliged, highly obliged.
Your Lordship, here we have received the pairwise comments. We would like to file it.
Mr.
Arif.
Rafiq, Land Counsel for the Mr. DP. D. Bora, London Standing Counsel.
No, government.
The London State Council submits that an instruction. No, instruction have been received, to which he would like to bring on record by way of affidavit. We are for phrase for 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit. Praise the Lord. List after 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
May I please, Lordship, there is the last order, Lordship, order dated 12/2/26. They have filed the affidavit, Lordship.
I have filed affidavit for now. Also, in this case, also, we have sent the affidavit for vetting, but that vetted affidavit due to some correction has been suggested by the department. So we'll be sending again today, Lordship. That
Sending for betting.
vetting. Lordship.
You have sent it for
We have
betting.
sent it vetting, but some correction has been suggested
So
by
you
the
will have to send it again.
again, Lordship.
Heard MS,
J. Akhtar.
learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. PP Datta, learned extending counsel secondary education, submits that due to certain, no, due to, although the affidavit was sent for vetting, the authorities would like to correct some, would like to. What is said that? What is said?
Today we will be sending again. After Bihu vacation, Lordship, we will.
Due to requirement of some correction, due to necessity of some correction, same will be sent again during the course of the day. Therefore, first for listing of the matter after
Lordship.
3 weeks,
Lordship,
as agreed to by learned counsel, but let this matter be,
date.
as I say, did I say prayers allowed? He has prayed for, right? Then said, he has prayed for, right? You just read it. Prayers allowed, just right. What he has submitted and prayed for, say. During the course of the day, therefore phrase for 3 weeks, prayers allowed, as agreed to by, this is the matter, on 6/5.
Lordship, matter may be taken after some time. My senior is on late.
What is the matter?
Lordship, petitioner applied for the post of junior engineer, PW department, Lordship, and
Affidavit has been filed.
No, Lordship, I am paying for affidavit for filing.
It's of no use. Waiting for your senior. Let them file affidavit. Heard MS so and so, learn counsel for the petition. Your name is there,
no.
appearing on behalf of Mr.
HRA Chaudhary, Lordship. HRA Chaudhary.
HRA Chaudhary, learn counsel for the senior counsel, no?
Yes, senior counsel HRA Chaudhary.
Senior counsel, on the prayer of Mr. PP Datta, learn standing counsel,
APSC, Lordship.
APSC. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit. The police. Very good.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a matter where I have challenged a series of arbitrary and malevolent actions taken against me. There are 6 actions that I have alleged of your Lordship. Lordship, I am actually an employee with the Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited, and I have 29 years of experience in the marketing department. I have, like, my MBA, etc., was in marketing. The challenges that I have made, your Lordship, and I also have an interim order in my favor, your Lordship. So if I can take Lordship to page 8, which is paragraph number 3 of my writ petition, your Lordship. Lordship has it. So Lordship, first is they had called me for a DPC interview. My last post was, your Lordship, of the Chief Manager Marketing. Thereafter, for the post
which action you are?
Your Lordship, I am challenging in total 6 actions. One, they had not declared my DPC, the Departmental Promotion Committee interview results. All my
Number two.
Yes, number one is that
Number
at the
two.
same time, others' results were declared, but my result was not declared. Number
Num-
one.
uh.
Number two, your lordship, I was transferred from when I was holding the post of acting deputy general manager marketing, I was transferred to the post
You
of
are also
trade
agreed by
department.
the transfer.
Yes,
Number
your
three.
lordship. Number three, your lordship, there was a departmental inquiry that was conducted. The inquiry was completed in 2024 November, your lordship. They do not give me the report of that inquiry.
That has not been brought on to logical conclusion. It has not been concluded.
Lordship, what happens is that
It has not been concluded or not concluded.
that inquiry was concluded, your lordship. A new inquiry was initiated after 6 months, your lordship.
Any order was passed?
There was no order passed. It was that the inquiry report
Fresh
was not
inquiry.
declared.
They have initiated
A fresh inquiry, completely fresh
Number
inquiry.
four.
Number three was that.
Ah.
Number four, your lordship, that they had alleged that the new fresh inquiry had commenced because there was a submission representation by the trade unions, which was not declared to me, which was what was the allegation, etc.
Number five.
Number five, your lordship, there was whereby a department. So your lordship, number five was there was they had to release my salary during the COVID period. There was an order whereby salary was supposed to be released, but they withheld that salary.
You filed a writ petition.
Yes, your lordship.
Each one of these grievances which you have raised, separate writ petition.
Your
We
lordship,
cannot deal with these, the issues in a one composite
lordship,
writ petition.
related actually. And lordship, there is an interim order. The pleadings are complete on both sides.
Ah.
There is an interim order operating in my favor.
Whether this Brahmaput, your corporation falls under the definition of state.
Yes, your lordship. It is a state instrumentality. It falls under Article 12, your lordship.
Okay, heard MS. We'll fix it, admit and fix it for hearing.
Yes, your lordship. Just a
But
small
problem is, it will be difficult to deal with all the issues which you have raised.
Yes,
It's
your
a
lordship.
different.
Lordship, I can relate the chain. It's a complete chain of events.
So ultimately, what do you want? What relief you can?
Ultimately, I want that promotion to happen. That promotion, eventually the promotion that has been withheld.
So transfer has no, you are not.
Because the promotion, they had said that it is for administrative convenience. They had transferred. Now,
Okay.
I've been transferred to a new department.
Pleadings complete.
Pleadings complete, your lordship.
Heard MS.
P. Barwa.
P. Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard.
And Dekamala for 226.
For respondent number
226.
And who is one?
One is the union.
Union of India. Who is Union of India? Who else are there?
Formal party, madam.
Who is the government? No government.
Union of India.
Admit. No, will not admit.
No,
I doubt. As agreed to by learned counsel, pleadings are complete. As agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Your lordship, the interim order, there was they had actually, while they had withheld my results, they had published an advertisement.
Continue.
Yes, your lordship. And lordship, right now they are doing another promotion and getting that post, because to circumvent that interim order, they have called one of their own persons to sit for the interview and give the post to that internal person, your lordship.
Okay.
So they are doing that also right now. So your lordship, if lordship I fix a day, because what happens otherwise a matter
After 4 weeks, in the month of August.
Oh no. April end or May first week, your lordship.
We fix so many cases on first week.
Your lordship, if a little bit earlier.
Not
Earlier,
possible.
first
Not possible.
first week, your lordship.
Madam, not possible. Already many matters have been fixed. First week till 10th.
Much obliged, your lord.
But think about it.
Yes, your lordship. I will, lordship. Yes.
We may not able to deal with every issue which
Your
you have
lordship.
raised. It's not possible.
Obliged, your lordship. Lordship, I have.
Let's read the lordship. Notice was issued on 10/12/2025.
Yes.
No affidavit has been filed by the respondent. My lord.
Retirement benefits, area monthly civil pension left the further. Yes.
You file affidavit. In fact, this has come after.
First.
Heard Mr. K.R. Padgiri, land counsel for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. P. PN sir Malan with standing council,
Elementary.
elementary education, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of question. Next.
Obliged.
30, they have filed an implement petition. Lord.
Ah,
I have for implement, lordship, implement. I have for implement of new incumbent, lordship,
who?
respondent number
where is the
12.
where is the IA?
I,
IA card.
respondent number 12, lordship. Present chief engineer, irrigation department, lord.
You have filed an affidavit.
Affidavit I filed, Lordship.
It's a contempt whether you have complied with or not.
Complied, Lordship. There are only one person left who could not be promoted because in the meantime he retired, Lordship. That affidavit I will file.
So what's remain? What remains?
Lordship.
What remains? So will you implement? Is it necessary? Will implement whom you want to implement?
Because it will be.
Respondent number 12, lordship,
Huh?
present chief, respondent number 12, lordship, present chief engineer, irrigation department.
Because
Huh?
therefore need to file affidavit.
Okay. Heard MS so and so, learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr.
Anupadhyay.
the learned counsel for the respondents. Next para, this is an application praying for implement of one Sri Dhruv Jyoti Roy Chaudhary,
Roy Chaudhary.
the chief engineer, irrigation department, Government of Assam. In the connected contempt case number 151 of 2017. Next para. He's the present chief engineer.
Yes, lordship.
Having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties, and also considering that the respondent
Respondent
the-
12, lordship.
the chief engineer and and considering that where is this 11, 12?
Yes, lordship, respondent number 12.
Considering that the Dhruv Jyoti Roy Chaudhary, Sri Dhruv Jyoti Roy Chaudhary, page 5, is the present chief engineer of the present incumbent as the chief engineer of irrigation department, Chandmari, Government of Assam. I deem it appropriate to allow this application as the above said chief engineer, aforesaid chief engineer, aforesaid chief engineer, above chief engineer would be a necessary party in the proceedings in this proceeding accordingly. Accordingly, it is permitted. Accordingly, the petitioner is permitted to implement Sri Dhruv Jyoti Roy Chaudhary, chief engineer so and so, as respondent number 12 in the connected contempt case number so and so. I instance allowed and disposal. In view of the order passed in the in the IA, that will be in the petition. Petition, then counsel for the petition file an amended co-stated on receipt on such filing, registry to incorporate the newly implemented respondent number 4 and respondent number 12 and issue notice petitioners to take steps.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Complied.
Lordships, here we have already lordships sanctioned an amount of 8,65,403 rupees. Lordships, that has petitioner has already received lordships, and direction was at lordships. Direction that in view of the court is of the view that it would be appropriate that the exercise for regulation of the adjustment of petitioner service already initiated in the year 2009 in terms of communication that is so and so be concluded, an appropriate decision to be taken as regards the regulation of the service of the petitioner as graduate teacher, considering the long service rendered by her since year 1988. It will be unfair on the part of the state authority at this point of time to deny regulation adjustment of the petitioner service on the ground of lack of proper appointment at the initial stage. Her initial stage of appointment was not proper, Lordship. If the petitioner had been allowed to work for such long period, he should be bound by record. Authorities can sympathetically consider the case of the petitioner and pass appropriate order, regulation or adjustment of service, regular vacancy in terms of so and so, so and so. For the action is done. Lordship, accordingly, Lordship, we have already adjusted and sanctioned an area amount of 8,65,403. So that part we have complied. Now, what the petitioner has filed a separate writ petition challenging this compliance order, which is listed before court number 4 today, and is the WPC number 6892/2025. She has already filed a writ petition challenging that compliance order, Lordship, and it is pending before the honorable court. So quantum is to be closed, Lordship.
That I do not know. Anyway, my lord, quantum may be closed.
Closed, right?
Yes. Because I
We'll
do
say
not know, because I do not know whether if a new case is filed by the.
Heard Mr. R.C. Saikia, learned senior counsel, assisted by so and so, so and so. K. Sir. K.
J. Kolita.
J. Kolita, learned counsel for the petition. Next para. It is submitted by. It is submitted at the birth, the order of this court, that is so and so. Which is the order?
Order of position, order of अपने फोटो ऑर्डर पोजीशन अपने फोटो से पे कर
Order. If you know that from now,
contempt of the position, contempt of the
25/11/2019 passed in WPC 6/77 of 2016 has really been complied with. By passing the order dated?
Order dated 25/11/2019. No, I'm a compliance order. Compliance order, Lordship, compliance order that we have sanctioned on 7/2/2025.
7/2/2025.
An amount of 8 lakh.
By whom?
By the Secretary, Lordship, Government of Assam. Secretary, Department of School Education.
Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education.
School Education.
School Education.
Sanctioning an amount of, Lordship.
Which has been put to challenge.
Yes.
By a writ petition.
WPC number 6892.
In WPC.
6892/2025.
6892 of
2025.
Accordingly, the extent, the contempt petition extent closed.
And for order respondent. And for all the containers.
my lord, I am sorry, I did not know that she has filed another case. It is not known to me.
It's okay. Then after the you, right? Respondent, SMTC, after the name.
M. Khan.
Learn.
M. Khan. Obviously, I think 13.
Then you, right? It's submitted.
Okay, oblige, Lord. Yes, sure, Padre, sorry.
Yeah.
Complied.
It is compliant, but I need some clarification. Lordship, I can take it on Monday, Lordship. It is,
Not compliant, Lordship. Payment was to be made, Lordship.
Mister.
Not a single rupee was paid, Lordship.
then after vacation, Lordship, I kindly fix it. I will get a whole.
Let him take the instruction,
Gauhati.
Lordship, properly.
Yes.
Let him take it.
After
Let him
vacation,
take
Lordship.
the.
Mr. M. Bhagpati,
Lordship.
Land Council for the Petition, next para, on the prayer of Mr. SLP 60.
After vacation, Lordship.
Council.
A date may be given after vacation, Lordship.
2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
Yes.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Much of it.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior counsel, Mr. B. Chetri, for item number 34. Lordship, kindly grant us the 3 weeks time.
No steps.
Necessary steps.
Huh?
Kindly grant us the 3 weeks time for the necessary steps.
No. On the prayer of MS,
Jay Sharma.
Jay Sharma, Land Council. Your name is here. Your name is there.
No,
Appearing on behalf of
Mr. B. Chetri.
B. Chetty, Land Council for the petition. A week's time is granted to take steps.
Much obliged.
For what?
For taking necessary steps.
For what? List the matter after 4 weeks. Yes.
I had an instruction to appear on behalf of respondent number 4, my lord. But problem is, my lord, that state school is amalgamated with the.
Heard, mister?
Yes, sir, my lord.
That's all.
Service complete.
Service in respect of respondent number.
School is already amalgamated with another school, my lord. Due to that reason, I have could not file the Okalat Nama, my lord. Cost title may be, my lord, rectified.
Is completed. Please. You are appearing. You want some time.
Instruction to appear respondent number 4, my lord.
Mister,
But due to, my lord, cost title, my lord, I could not appear, my lord.
course title?
But state school is amalgamated with another school, my lord, with my school, my lord. The cost title should maybe rectified, my lord.
Mr. K. R. Pathgari, Land Council, enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 4. You find out what's there.
I'm appearing for secondary education.
You filed the affidavit.
Not yet, your lord.
Pension
proposal has
already been sent, my lord.
Already there is a one
Instruction, my
order,
lord.
your lordship, perusal of order dated.
It's
Earlier
okay.
order
So and
dated.
so and so.
Next of kin
present.
certificate has not been submitted by the
After-
petitioner.
List after 3 weeks. We'll see.
My lord.
Deeply obliged.
May I for a date, my lord. Pension matter, my lord. 2015, my lord. She
3 weeks. You do the
My lord.
correction first.
My lord.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
What is
Please,
this?
your lordship. In the earlier occasion, I was granted 2 days time to file states, your lord.
Huh?
In the earlier occasion, I was granted 2 days time to file states.
Yes.
Take steps. I have taken steps, your lordship.
You have taken a step.
In time.
Or for respondent number?
For respondent number 7, your lordship.
Okay. It is submitted by MS.
Yes. sir.
MS
A Begum.
A. Begum, Land Council for the petitioner, that applicant that necessary steps have been taken on when?
Any date, your lordship.
When you have taken the steps?
Your lordship, it is taken on 19/7/2024, your lordship.
19/7,
2024.
2024. You take press steps now.
No, not my lordship. It is the disposal matter, your lordship. It may.
That is already been
disposed
disposed
of,
of.
your lordship.
How my, why my lord?
Your lordship.
Why this IA is?
Your lordship, it may dispose of today itself, your lordship.
IA is for what?
I just for small correction, small amendment, your lordship. In the cost structure, lordship. I have stated in para 3 of my IA, your lordship.
So,
Just the
It may
spelling,
be-
your lordship. Just may dispose it.
huh?
May dispose of today itself.
Just the spelling. Paragraph number 3, page 6 of the IA.
Then you said,
Your lordship.
Instead of Simalaguri, it should be Simulu.
then you said, you read,
Kotuar, Kotuar.
had MSA Begum, Land Council for the petitioner, and also had
Deeper.
Bora for State Council,
State Council members.
I am for the revenue, lord.
NJND, State Council, NJND,
Spelling.
Standing Council, Revenue Department. For the response. This is an application. Praying for correction of. It's a typographical mistake. Typographical mistake. Correction of typographical mistake occurred at what?
At your lordship, kindly see page number 3, your lordship.
Huh?
I have stated in para 3 of my IA, your lordship. IA para 3.
Occurred in the post title. In the fourth line of para 3. As regards the name of the village and the post office.
Village and post office, your lordship. PS.
Which has been inadvertently typed as Simaluguri instead of village and post office. Simologuri, page 6. Huh? Then
Your lordship, in the same para, in the same line, the PS of the applicant was wrongly typed as Pup Kosua instead of her correct PS Kosua.
so many.
3 only 3, your lordship.
You just read ABC.
Only 3.
It's in the order.
In the order. In the order.
You just write, huh? Same line, PS of the police station is Pub Pachua instead of PS Kachua, huh? Then wrong the times Karbi Anglong instead of West Karbi Anglong.
West Karbi. That much, your
In
lordship.
the connected, in the order of, in order dated 21/04/2023. Hmm. It's only in the course title, huh? Order is page 9. Next, having considered that the having considered this commitment from practice and also perusal of the order dated so and so, so and so, it appears that the aforesaid village post office and the district, post office, PS, police stations and district, it is been inadvertently, it appears to me, no, it is a typographical error. Comma, I deem it appropriate to allow this application by allowing the, by correcting the so and so, so and so. Accordingly, the word occurred at so and so, so and so, be corrected at so and so. 3, huh? Village, post office, police station, and 4, not 3, 4. District, allowed and dispose of these. This order shall be read a part of, we form part of, still be form part of the order that is so and so, so and so.
Oblige, your lordship.
39.
My lord, as per my lord, order dated 23/2/2026, my lord. Service to my lord, to respondent number 3, my lord.
And Mr. So and so, so and so.
Completed.
Service in respect of respondent 3 is completed, huh? List the matter after
For admission, my lord.
3 weeks.
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord, isn't it? Pension
What
matter, my lord.
Why is this?
Pension matter, my lord.
4 weeks. We give the date.
Well, for respondent number 4, well, in this case, well, the item number 40, for respondent number 4, well, I appear. Kindly give me 4 weeks time, well,
Okay.
to take the instruction. and
Although
file.
office note dated 18/02/2020 indicates that neither ID card nor answer notice has received. I've said although, na, comma, Mr. Dina enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 4.
4.
One is prayed for by Mr. Dina, Lemon Council. For respondent number 4, let this matter be listed. After contempt, this is contempt. After 3 weeks,
After 4 weeks, well.
so as to enable him to obtain his.
In the
A
month,
date may be given, Lordship, kind.
Huh?
A date may be.
I
okay.
pray for 2nd week of May, well, because this is not because of,
Huh?
18, lot, Lord. 18.
Please, also.
Yes.
Is that contempt petition, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, kindly see the order.
List
Page
this matter on 28,
11
this matter
yeah,
after
that's
4 weeks. Well,
They
who
find
is
the-
appearing? Yes.
But the Lordship has directed me to take the instruction.
Huh.
There is an order of your Lordship, my lord, order dated 37/25 order, and subsequently on 28/2025, my lord. I took the instruction and they said that the department has preferred an appeal. Kindly take up order dated 28/2025.
Appeal has already been disposed of.
Appeal is
Dismissed.
appeal is dismissed on 7/1/2026.
126 January.
Well, the revenue department, they have preferred the appeal. And in fact, as nobody was appearing in the matter, Lordship has directed me to take the instruction. And now, well, I have seen that the appeal has been dismissed. So far my information goes.
Alaknanda Medi.
That, my lord, I don't know. My lord, I have to take the instruction again.
Heard Mr. Swayze
Actually, what happened, my lord?
for the
The
petitioner.
department has taken the decision in the, my lords, it shows that the chairperson directed senior assistant as the MA to reinstate Mr. So-and-so in,
It's okay, I've understood.
my lord. But they have not complied. Since, my lord, 2024, meeting was
That's
held.
why he wants to take instruction. And you also find out whether who is the present incumbent, right? You also find out who is the present incumbent. Of course, throw your the petitioner only.
Yes. My lord.
Heard, mister.
Actually,
Will list
my
after
instruction, my lord.
list after 3 weeks. Let him obtain instruction.
Who is there? Who is holding the office now? Lordship.
As well as, I mean, you have to. There's no other way out. You have
Lordship,
to comply.
Lordship, I'll apprise the department, my lord. I'll inform the department.
Have some paid on him.
The Disaster Management Council, my lord, just told me, my lord,
Think what?
take some time, he bring the instruction.
That is better, my lord, because I am as directed
Next
by
week, my lord,
Next week.
as directed by I'll inform
Next
the
week, my lord,
I'll inform the standing
on
council.
6th,
revenue.
my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, London Council.
That's good.
And also had Mr. M. Dina, London Council, who has been requested to assist this court. As grateful, let this matter be listed on 6th.
My lord. I'll inform
Sixth.
this, I'll inform the standing council. revenue.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, oblige, lord.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in terms of the, no, my lord, this is an application for actually substituting the legal heir of the deceased writ petitioner number 20, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, if we may come to the order dated 21/11/2025, my lord. This court wanted us to basically file an NOC from the existing other legal heirs that they do not have any objection if their mother is impleaded, my lord. So in pursuant to that, we have filed recently an affidavit. My lord, I believe the affidavit may not be act with the record, wherein we have stated.
Then we'll take it up on Monday.
My lords.
Monday.
Yes, my lord. Any convenient to lordship, my lord.
Heard Mr.
H.
No, Mr.
H. Buragohai, my lord.
H. Buragohai, London Council for the petition submits that And additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit has been filed.
Mr. However, same is not tagged with the record. So tagged with the tagged with this application. Mr. Registry to verify next para. And if it is, if the affidavit, additional affidavit is filed, to take the same with the with this application. List
Any date convenient,
After
Your
the
Lordship, my lord.
after a week.
Can, 8th April, my lord. I'm obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.